What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis. We're out here with my buddy Jackson out on the Parts of Metal Masher Trail that I scouted a couple of videos back, actually a while back. And we're gonna go hit these obstacles today, smack up the sliders, and it's gonna be a fun one. Let's get to it. Well, actually, they closed this trail because the Arizona new Tonto Pass thingy-majiggy. But I bought the $100 pass and I thought all the gates were gonna be open again, but I guess not. If you guys have any answers for that, please throw it down in the comments. And I'm pretty bummed because I just aired my tires down, and we're gonna go look. All right, everybody, it's a change of plans. We went down the street over here at Bulldog Canyon, and I didn't even know this was here. So we're gonna hit this little spot. It's kind of like a little off-camber rock with some puddles in the center right here. Get a little crazy, come around this way, and then might come down this way or come back up, who knows, but it's gonna be a fun one. We're just testing out those new sliders. We're gonna try to scratch them up, get them all tested, DV8 trail tested. Check out that flex right there. We're pretty low in the front. Should probably air up a little bit more, but I like it nice and smooth. Come around this side. Yeah. And we're rubbing on the fender, looks like. So that's awesome. But let's hit this trail, hit this little obstacle. We're gonna have a good day today. All right, more low, first gear. Get it. Hope I don't get no body damage. Front angle, man. Hit the slider?
I think you bought, yeah, on the left, I think.
That's why I hate fucking mud.
Back up, I stop, now hit it.
All right, everybody, here's that damage there. We smacked the sliders like right where I would hit my rocker panel that I already did. Yeah, on the sliders. And they look straight as an arrow still, so. The powder coat doesn't look as good as it did before, but oh well. We smacked the bumper a little bit and check it out. A little bit on the bumper, not too bad, but yeah, we're having fun out here. We're gonna keep going on this trail, kind of see what's up here, and this little spot's cool. Had some fun. All right, everybody, we made it to like the halfway point, and we're gonna kind of rip around this wash a little bit, kind of check out some of this rock crawling stuff we found out here. We definitely smacked up the sliders in the meantime, but we have some cool stuff to do around here. Probably this, we're already in the wash, so we're coming down all this, and we'll probably just turn around real quick and do all that. But we'll see how easy this is through here. There's only a couple spots that I'm a little worried about once we get there, but this is kind of like the walkthrough of what we're working with right now. So far pretty decent, easy, but once we get over here, this is where it starts getting a little more interesting. Either we can take this road down in, or we can keep this way right here through here. And everything's kind of a little muddy too, so we gotta worry about that. The tire's all wet. Right here is the entrance to the wash. We're gonna give it a shot, try it out, see if we do anything crazy. All right, this is the first obstacle. It's gonna be interesting, but I think we got it. I don't know how good you can tell. It's really sunny out, but it's a pretty nice little spot here. I have this, which is pretty easy. I'm just gonna hit this real quick and make it through the wash. So far, since that gate was closed, it hasn't been a disappointment. We're having some fun out here, and actually, yeah, it's gonna be a fun day.
Turn. Back up. Oh shit. Stop. Okay. I'd prefer you go left more, but you're gonna hit that wall. And turn left a little bit, and then go as you turn left. And then straight, and maybe, there you go, you're good. And then turn left and go, you're good. You're stuck. Go ahead. Hang on. Hang on, Curtis. Hang on. Wait 1 second. I told you both your tires are off the ground. I just shoved all those rocks under there.
Oh, we're fucking on the dip, dude. Okay, let's see what I got.
I think you can make it.
I gotta back up.
Just go for it a little bit. I think those rocks will help you. Just try it. Give it a little gas. If it doesn't go, fuck it. They turned, bro. You spun it around with your front tire. You probably can see it in the video. You're just sliding on those rocks. If you turn towards me and then go, I think you'll be good.
I'm gonna crank it all the way that way.
Yeah, and then I think you'll be good. It's gonna be a big drop though, you'll probably hit your bumper.
Yeah, it's right there. Are there rocks underneath me right now?
You're good. You're gonna drop though after that. Ooh. Oh, no, you're good.
All right, not gonna lie, that was a little sketchy, but we're gonna go back up that little spot, and let's hope we go up a little bit easier than we went down. Probably not, but we'll give it a shot.
Oops. My bad.
That boulder right there?
No, I didn't do that. It's been there. I can't lift that rock. It's fucking huge. It's up to you, man. Bumper. Ooh.
All right, everybody, we just got back to the trailhead. We aired up the tires, and come check out the damage we did today. So nothing crazy on the body, just mostly bumper. Smacked the bumper a bunch. We hit the D-ring, hit the lower chin of the bumper also. Come around.
That big black mark on the whip is on this side.
Oh shit. All right, so we got the sliders. We hit the sliders. They do look straight still, and we pretty much put the whole truck weight on them. Yeah, these guys are gonna come out pretty soon, so make sure to check them out. If we did have the OEM ZR2 sliders, we probably would have got caught up a lot more. These ones sit a lot higher, and make sure you don't hit your rocker panel like I did before I put the sliders on. So that saved me. That's literally the same exact spot we smashed up. Nothing really. We are rubbing a little bit on the corner, even though I cut out something. Even though I cut some out for that, we're still rubbing a little bit, and I can't really lift up anymore. I think we're just gonna have to deal with it. Of course, we hit the hitch and a little bit of the rear bumper also. We laid the diff down on the rocks, and it's not leaking, so we're good. We did hit the shock. I don't have my leveled up shock skids on, which is kind of a bummer, because that would have saved me a lot. But yeah, we hit the shock hanger right there, so that's kind of a bummer. I might be moving into a house pretty soon, and hopefully I can just start doing some fab stuff. Maybe relocate the shock hanger kind of a little bit higher. Maybe do like a U-bolt flip kit or something, because I really don't like how they still hang down. It's better than the ZR2 second gen, but third gen is still a little iffy. And then this side on the sliders, just a little bit up right here. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, the truck performed pretty well. And like I said, maybe moving somewhere with a garage so I can take the tent off when I go wheeling, which is going to be really, really nice because the tent's pretty light. I could take it off at any time I want, but I have nowhere to store it. But now I will, because we can actually do that. And more stuff coming with the smart cap. They're sending me some replacement parts that I'm going to talk about soon in a new video for you guys, because there's a problem with the smart cap, but they did help me out with it and everything, so it's all good. But we're gonna go get some food. It's still getting hot out here in Arizona, so I'll talk to you guys next week. Like, comment, subscribe, really helps me out. It's free and help me make videos for you guys. So peace out, bye. Go.